Hey guys, it's me today and I have two things to show you. Two! So, one is a shout out, not really. I can't really tell it to you or show you that, but I could tell you. And the other one is a new slime. So first let's start off with a shout out. So shout outs to, and from this person on Roblox, and follow them. Their name is Adrian Panda Polly. That's how I pronounce it. So yeah, sorry about my bad handwriting. And then sorry about my setting. And the background too. I'm not even going to talk about that. Yeah. Now to show you my new slime. Sorry about my big fat hand. I'll move that. Yeah. Here is the slime. I'll show you up close. It does look kind of weird right here. It looks like a gray, maybe like a pink gray. And this is not the color of my hand. That's the color of the slime. Let's do some ASMR. I don't know where the speaker is or the thing is, but so now I am going to add some color into it, but of course I have to show my face because, yeah, but just give me a second. Okay, so now I'm going to color it. So here's the slime. Here's the bottle of paint. The bottle of paint is darker. The slime is darker, and yeah. So I'm just going to put this close off. You have to do this with one hand because only one hand's available for actually get it perfect for you guys. I've got to turn it around. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so yeah. Once it explodes, I'm going to get it in my hand and start using it. Alright, let me fix it. Okay. Hold on, give me a second. So now I will be mixing in the slime. How that? Yeah. It's like a butter slime. The texture of it is like butter slime. So I'm gonna move to a table that has better lighting. Okay, so here is the slime. Like I said, the butter texture, you just take your fingers, push down and pull. It's like butter slime. I'll put it in the bowl and then that might make it sound better for the ASMR. So yeah. Oh, and shout out to the world's worst mini panda bun ever. And the dirtiest. Yeah. So yeah. I haven't put it in the container yet, but oh, there it is. Yeah. So here is the slime. Let me get it at a better angle for you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. So stay tuned, like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. And comment down below and say you subscribe. If you subscribe. And then also go check out my cousin's channel, Duckle Duck. Subscribe and like his videos. Bye guys. Worst Panda Bun. Goodbye.